In a competitive and dangerous world, people looking for a better and safer experience with their phone. But it's hard to find an app that gives us what we need. That's why we created iqvpn Finder. It will give you the protection you'll need from spies and hackers with VPNs that surround us. But the problem with VPN's apps that they don't log you all the time to the closest VPNs. And when they do, they stuck on the same one, so when you get far from it, you'll get slower connection. iqvpn Finder come to give an answer to that problem. When you press Boost iqvpn, will connect you automatically to the closest VPN all the time, so you don't need to try to log in and out all the time like other VPN services. It comes with powerful features like Deep Files Cleaner and RAM Optimizer to keep your phone even more secure and fast. GSM Antenna Locator that will let you know the distance and where to direct your phone for a better signal. Also, we added the IQ Recorder to help you record people and calls in case of emergency or just for fun. Download today iqvpn Finder and share your thoughts to make our world better and safer.